Certainly a very, very significant meeting to be held today, Nazir, and of course the attempt is to provide tourism post the attack as well in the valley. Thank you for getting us those details. Let's shift our focus now. India's global outreach and Operation Sindoor is continuing. All party delegations briefing the world, sending a united message of zero tolerance against terror. India, in fact, Congress MP Shashi Tharoor in the US highlighting how India responded in a precise and calibrated manner to terror bases, headquarters and launch pads in Pakistan following the attack. Mr. Tharoor said that India is not interested in warfare with Pakistan, emphasizing that the country would not rather be left alone to its economy and uplift its people. Now, also within Bureau, they're talking about Pakistan being an unstable neighbor that continues to provoke India. So, how could it possibly reiterating that message that India will not tolerate terrorism in any form? Let's listen to these leaders who all through the platform have been sending up that united message of where India stands when it comes